14.08, uniform motion. Uniform motion is motion in a straight line, usually at a constant speed. So let's read the problem and understand it. A nurse works the night shift at a local hospital. The commute into work takes 32 minutes, but it only takes 28 minutes when they return in the morning. They go back home. If they drive 7 miles per hour slower in the evening, rush hour, what are the two speeds at which they can drive? Okay, let's think about that for just a minute. As she's going to work, as the nurse is going to work, they are fighting rush hour traffic. When they're coming home at the end of the shift, there is no rush hour traffic because it's first thing in the morning, I guess. So if they drive 7 miles per hour slower in the evening, see, when the first time I read this, I read it a little backwards because I was thinking in the evening going home, but it's in the evening going to work, facing rush hour traffic. So they're driving slower. How much slower? Well, we need to know this formula. Distance equals rate times time. Now, the rate going to work is slower. So I'm going to start with the rate going home from work. The rate and the time going home is rate times time, 28 minutes. The rate going to work is 7 miles an hour slower, and it takes 32 minutes. Now, this is a fairly straight problem in the fact that the distances going and coming are equal. So r minus 7 times 32 is equal to r times 28. We solved this for r, and we've got the rate at which they are coming home from work, because going to work is 7 miles per hour slower. So let's solve distributive property. 32r minus 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 22, 224 equals 28r. Get the r's together. I'm just going to take this 32 over to the other side because it's easy. Then I have negative 2, 2, 4 equals negative 4r. Divide both sides by negative 4. 224 divided by 4. R is 224 divided by 4 is 56. Now that is the rate 2. Now I don't know what kind of question it's going to ask, if it gives you the going to work and coming back from work, but this is the rate coming back from work, which is 56 miles per hour home, and going to work is 56 minus 7 to work, which is 49 miles per hour to work. Depends on how they word it in the question. This is how fast are they going to work. You're going to have to keep that straight. But those are the two speeds, because it just asks for what two speeds for which they can drive. 56 coming home, and 49 going to work.